Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, The Pinay Couponer, and welcome to my CVS haul for the week of August 29 to September 4. And these are all digital and printable coupon deals. So we are now on our way to CVS guys, me and my daughter. So I am going to walk you through the deals and show you what coupons I used. And then when we get home, I am going to show you my receipts and we will talk the final cost. So I'm just going to grab our freebie this week. This does not need any CRTs guys. This Colgate here is on sale for two for $7.98, and we receive a $7.98 for two Colgate toothpaste digital coupon guys, making them completely free. Next deal guys is for the Eucerin. They are spend $15, get $5 extra box, and there is also an Ibotta rebate for these guys, making this a great deal. So I'm going to grab this skin calming cream here, priced at $9.99, and I will use my $2 for one digital coupon, and there is a $3.50 Ibotta rebate for these guys. The skin calming cream is included. And then I'm going to grab the daily hydration lotion, priced at $11.29, and I'm going to use this $2 off any Eucerin guys that I printed from the coupons.com. And then there is also a $2.50 Ibotta rebate. Total for these two guys is $21.28. And then I'm going to use my CRT lotion guys. I have a $4 off $20 hand and body lotion that is attaching, and then I also have a $1 off Eucerin body CRT, so bringing my total for this $12.28. And then I get back my $5 extra box, and then we'll get back a total of $6 from Ibotta, bringing my final cost $1.28 or 64 cents each, and this counts towards beauty guys. So the Revlon guys hair color is spend $10, get $5 extra box, and I'm going to grab this Revlon root erase here guys. This is not tagged in my store, but I already have scanned it in the red box, and the price is $13.49. And I'm going to use my free hair color guys, worth $9, bringing my total $4.49. And then I will earn my $5 extra box, making this completely free plus a 51 cents money maker. Guys, so next deal guys is for the Not Your Mother's dry shampoo. This little one guys, $3.79 is included in the promotion, which is buy 3 get $4 extra box. And I'm going to grab 3 of these, and they are buy 1 get 1 50% off. So the two guys are full price, and then the other one is half price, which is $1.89. So total is $9.47. And I'm going to use my $1.50 off Not Your Mother hair care CRT, and then I also have a $2 off $6 Not Your Mother hair care CRT, bringing my total for these $5.97. And then I will get back my $4 extra box, making my final cost $1.97 or 65 cents each, and this counts towards beauty. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my spend $30 get $10 extra box, and then I'm going to grab the Garnier. This Green Love serum here is $22.49, and I'm going to grab one, and I have 2 of the $5 off Garnier Green Love serum CRT. And then I'm going to grab these makeup removing towelettes, $7.79, and they are buy 1 get 1 50% off guys. So this one is half price, which is $3.89, and I have 2 of the $2 off Garnier Micellar CRT. Total for this is $26.38. So I'm going to use my $4 off $25 Garnier facial care CRT. Right here guys, the Neutrogena is also included guys here. So I'm going to grab these Neutrogena here, clear pore and price is $7.79. And I'm going to use this $3 off Neutrogena acne product printable coupon. So total for this, guys, is $34.17. Total after coupons is $13.17. And then I'll get back my $10 extra bucks. And then after 48 hours, guys, I will receive $3 extra bucks for hitting the beauty club, making my final cost only 17 cents for 3 items or 5 cents each, guys. So I am done with this account, guys, so let's go check out. Hi guys, so these are all the items that I grabbed today in CVS, and this is my haul for the week of August 29 to September 4. And I was not able to film these items here, guys. I was using my second account because my daughter was already complaining, but I will discuss the deal shortly, so please stay tuned. So I'll start with my first transaction. I did the Not Your Mother's dry shampoo. So here's my receipt for that, guys. And then the $2 of $6 Not Your Mother's CRT came off, and also the $1.50 off Not Your Mother's CRT here. And then I rolled a total of $6 extra bucks. It was just adjusted, bringing my subtotal to 0. And I got my $4 extra bucks for this, guys, but I didn't have it anymore because I used it in my next transaction. So this is how you determine the cost for these items, guys. As you can see, guys, I rolled $6 extra bucks. So I will consider that as my out of pocket. And then I received my $4 extra bucks, making this $2. But that is not the final cost yet because this counts towards beauty, guys. So please stay tuned. At the end of the video, guys, I will discuss the final cost. And for my second transaction, I did the Eucerin. So here's the Eucerin, and all of my coupons came off, no problem at all. And then I rolled a total of $12.16 extra bucks, bringing my subtotal to 12 cents. And then I got back $5 extra bucks for this, and I also used it in my next transaction. And then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back my $6 cash back. So my total out of pocket for this is $12.28. And then I got back $5 extra bucks and then $6 from Ibotta, making this $1.28. But take note, this counts towards beauty too. And for my third transaction, I did my free Colgate without any CRT. So here's my receipt. Then my digital coupon came off, bringing my subtotal to 0. And for my fourth transaction was my Revlon. So here's my receipt. So my free box applied, guys, but only up to $9. And then I rolled $5 extra bucks for this. And then I did not notice, guys, that the $5 extra bucks did not print. So what I did, I went back to the store and asked the cashier, and he was nice to give me the $5 extra bucks. It's a force printed one here. So I rolled $5 extra bucks, and then I got back $5 extra bucks, making it completely free. For my last transaction for this account, guys, was the spend $30 deal. So here's the receipt, and all of my coupons came off, guys, here, except that the $2 off was adjusted. I did not know, guys. And I rolled a total of $12 extra bucks, bringing my subtotal to $1.87. So my total out of pocket for this is $13.87. But I got back my $10 extra bucks, making them $3.87. But this tracks towards beauty too, guys, so this is not the final cost yet. So next, guys, I used my second account and I did the CoverGirl deal, guys. CoverGirl is buy 2 get $5 extra bucks, or buy 3 get $7 extra bucks. But I only bought 2, so I grabbed this CoverGirl Invisible Concealer. They are $7.99. And I added the CoverGirl Perfect Blend Eye Pencil, priced at $7.29. So total is $15.28. And then I had the free cosmetics worth $5, guys. And then I also had $2 for one CoverGirl digital coupon. And I also had $3 off $15 CoverGirl CRT, bringing my total to $5.28. And then I got back my $5 extra bucks, making them only 28 cents for both, or 14 cents each. And I also did the oral care deal. So I combined the Colgate and the Oral-B, guys, because I had the $5 off $20 oral care CRT. So as I have shown you guys earlier that the Colgate was on sale for two for $7.98, and we had the $7.98 for two Colgate toothpaste digital coupon, making them completely free. And then I grabbed the Crest or Oral-B deal. They are buy 3 get $5 extra bucks, and I had the $5 for 3 Crest Oral-B digital coupon. So total of the Oral-B was $11.97 plus the 2 Colgate. Total was $19.95. And since my store follows the 98% rule, so I was able to use my $5 off $20 oral care CRT, bringing my total cost, guys, $1.97. And then I got back $5 extra bucks for buying 3 of the Oral-B toothbrushes, making them completely free, plus a $3.03 moneymaker. And then lastly, I grabbed some free Hallmark cards again. I had 2 of the $3 off $6 Hallmark card CRT. So total of the 6 cards, guys, was $5.94, making them completely free. And here's my receipt. So here's the Colgate, the Oral-B, the CoverGirl, and the 6 Hallmark cards here. And all of my coupons came off. And I was also happy that my free cosmetics item applied also the full amount, $5 here. And then I rolled a total of $7.12 extra bucks, bringing my subtotal to 73 cents. So my total out of pocket for this is $7.85. But I got back $5 here for buying the CoverGirl and $5 for buying the Oral-B. So making this transaction, guys, completely free, plus a $2.15 moneymaker. So let's go over with the final numbers, guys. So for my first transaction, after the extra bucks, my total cost was $2. And then for my second transaction, after extra bucks and the Ibotta, my total cost was $1.28. And for my third transaction, the Colgate, it was completely free. And then for my fourth transaction, the Revlon, after the extra bucks, it is also free. And then for my fifth transaction, my spend $30 deal, after extra bucks, my total cost was $3.87. So total of $7.15 total cost. But after 48 hours, guys, I will receive a total of $9 extra bucks for hitting the Beauty Club 3 times, because I already had $17.54 and I only need $12.46 to get the $3 extra bucks. And after buying the Not Your Mother's, the Eucerin, the Revlon, and the Garnier and the Neutrogena, I will receive $9 extra bucks, making all of the items in my first account free, plus a $1.85 moneymaker. And then for my second account, guys, I only had 1 transaction, and after extra bucks, they are completely free, plus a $2.15 moneymaker. So overall, guys, all products that you see here in this haul are completely free, plus a $4 moneymaker. So that's it all for my CVS haul, guys, for the week of August 29 to September 4. I am so happy with my haul today, guys. Everything went fine. All of my coupons came off. Unlike last week, there were so many issues. But today, it was so smooth and everything went perfectly fine. So that's it all, guys. Thank you so much for watching and for always supporting me. If you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about couponing, guys, please leave me a comment down below and I will be happy to answer you. And again, thank you so much and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye!